This is so funny. I cleaned the pan that's underneath there because they kept pooing on it. And Kermit has sat down in it because he thought there was water in it. He started acting like he was drinking out of it, and now he thinks he's having a bath, but there's like no water there at all, like even remotely. Because I even washed it dry or wiped it dry. So this bird is having a dry bath. Little crazy guy. He's actually acting like he's wet as well. He's acting like he would if he had literally just had a bath. And he was acting like he was swimming in it before. It's just a pan. He's crazy. Whenever I bring him a bath, he doesn't use it. Like if I went out and got him a bath now, he wouldn't use it. Utterly crazy, birds are utterly crazy.